Hello everyone, MSRNDA 2007 here, and today is Tuesday, June 15th, 2021 at 3:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time. And today I got a package. Well, obviously. Also, before I unbox this, I do apologize if you hear a lawnmower in the background. I don't know how, I don't know why, but for some reason, on the day I get a new radio in the mail, it's the same day that my dad decides to mow the grass. Like I said, I don't know how, I don't know why, but almost every single day that I get a new radio, well, I don't get a new radio every single day, but on the day I get a new radio, it somehow seems to be the same day my dad decides to mow the grass. So, yeah, anyways. So, yeah, I do apologize if you hear a, lawnmower in the background. So, yeah. And actually, I kind of want to tell you something funny real quick. So, when I got this radio, I noticed that the background kind of looked similar. And it turns out it did. It looked like the background of the photo that the seller, the person who sold me my HH50 had. And in fact, it was the exact same seller I got my HH50 from. So, yeah. And the guy, or the guy, well, the seller, male or female, I don't know. Most likely male, but they could be female, I don't know. Anyways, they actually have quite a few radios listed. Mostly AM/FM radios, but they have a few weather radios. They have a Sangean DT800TK, I believe it is. It's a gray, portable radio with AM, FM, and weather, and also has the alert function. And it's made by Sangean. And then the seller also has a Sangean MMR88 for sale, which is a more desktop radio. Well, actually it's a worksite radio. So, yeah, and then the seller also has a ER-10 Elite Mini, which is the radio that's the next step down from the ER-10 Elite Traveler that Nicholas, also known as Thunderbuddy 1, has. So, yeah. So, the seller kind of has a little bit of everything. So, yeah. Anyways, with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this package. So, yeah, actually, grab a screwdriver real quick. I don't know why this adhesive don't want me to get in here. Okay, there we go. Alright, and then here we go. Oh, there's paper in here real quick. I'm gonna get the paper out. Oh, it's the manual. Awesome. And that being said, here we go with the radio. Ta-da! You can probably kind of see what it is. It looks like an ER-50, but actually it's not. There it is. Going to take it out of the bubble wrap. So, like I said, it may look like an ER-50, but it isn't. This is actually a Midland ER-10 VP. Or just the ER-10. This is the radio that's which is the next step down from the ER-50. So, yeah, this radio runs on AA batteries, 3 AA batteries, and runs on 3 AA batteries, and it doesn't have solar panel, it doesn't have dynamo hand crank or any of that stuff. But it does have a much more pleasant sounding siren than the ER-50 does. And here's the manual for it too. There we are. And here it is. And wow, this thing is small. This thing is tiny. And the time's wrong because the... Is it on? I don't know. But I mean, look at this. Let me grab the ER-50. So here's the ER-50, which is kind of small to begin with. Here's the ER-10 VP. Wow. Then also, thickness. This thing is, this thing is tiny. I mean, compared to some radios like the HH54 VP and the HH50, this thing's small. Wow. Here's the antenna. Then, got a headphone jack on the side. Wow. Antenna's small too. And then there's the batteries. Flashlight. Go ahead and turn on while it's on channel 7.
Tulsa, 93 at Wichita. B5, launching reported.
Go ahead and go into the menu. How do you get into the menu? First time ever, I'm actually going to have to look at an instruction manual to see how to operate the radio. Okay, accessing and using the menu. Press on the radio and press and hold. Okay. Oh, power on the radio.
Central Oklahoma and Monday morning across east central and southeast Oklahoma.
Okay. 24 hour. Move that to 1528.
Forecast office on Twitter and Facebook.
Frequency.
Forecast office. Here is the forecast for Oklahoma City and surrounding.
Go on and get all my presets in.
More winning, more fun.
Set this on 92.5 KLMA. And it's on the lowest volume setting, like I like.
Highs in the upper 90s.
So yeah, this thing is small. Take the camera off the tripod. I'll show you where I'm going to put it. Actually, I may put it up there. I may put it up here and move the ER-50 down here, because this was originally where I wanted to put the ER-50. But I thought putting this here instead, especially since occasionally I'm going to have to charge the ER-50. Wow, that's small. Actually, let's do this. Nope, I don't think it'll fit up here. Will it fit behind? No, that won't work. I'll just set it down here for now. Wow, that thing's tiny. I mean, really, that thing's so tiny. I can't believe it. Alright. Go ahead and pack this stuff up. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. So, yeah. And also, if you're wondering how much I got this for, I got it for $10 plus free shipping. Used. So, yeah, the deal was so good, I decided to go ahead and just get it. I'll probably get another one new in box at some point, but they don't have any at there isn't any sort of Cabela's around here, and my local Bass Pro Shops doesn't have any either. Like, they don't actually keep them in stock. So, yeah. But I'll probably get another one at some point. New in box. So, yeah. Anyways. I'm going to go ahead and end the video at this point. So, yeah. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. And have a nice day.